hold for these 30 seconds. So we'll be talking here about the terminology called as chunking. It was given by Millers. Now chunking is what? He has given a very magical number 7 plus minus 2. Plus minus 2 means 7 minus 2 is 5 and 7 plus 2 is 9. So you can hold the information in your short-term memory. Only 5 to 9 chunks you can hold. That is it. Not lesser of course you can, but not more than that. So 5 to 7 kind of chunks you can hold on to it. Now when I say chunks, it does not mean individual digit or unit. It means that chunks. Like for example, if somebody says that the phone number is 9900083555, okay. Now here what you have done, these are 10-digit number, mobile number. Now you are not remembering it or keeping it in your short-term memory in as 10 units, 9900081555. I think this is what I said. It's gone from my short-term memory. Okay, so this what you do, you pair it up. So 9 together is one chunk. 000 because of similarity, this is second chunk. Then you say 81 is third chunk and 555 is the fourth chunk. So there are 4 chunks. It is not considered as one single unit but as chunks. Or for example, if somebody gives you a sentence to remember, an apple is there on the tree which just fell from the tree and it banged on someone's head. Okay, now here you are not remembering just the alphabets A, P, P, L, E, apple, and after 10 letters you just forget. Nothing like that. So 10 chunks you are going to remember. It can be either 10 words in a sentence, or it can also be 10 sentences, or it can be 10 letters. It depends on how meaningful the information is. If I give you random letters, you have to remember B, X, W, M, Y, C, R, T, V. Now in this is all random letters and it doesn't make sense at all. So here I can say these are 10 chunks. So I can remember, 9 chunks. You can remember only 9 chunks maximum. After that you are likely to keep forgetting. So you are only going to take care, or you are only going to remember these different chunks that are there because it is meaningless. But if I make a sentence out of it, a meaning out of it, like TV, IS is ON on. So these are 3 chunks rather than 6 chunks. It is not TVISON. It is not 6 chunks. It's 3 chunks. TV is on because it is making sense. And the sentence is also making sense. So it can also be considered as 1 chunk. So this is how chunking is done, and according to Miller, a person in their short-term memory can hold up to 7 plus minus 2 chunks in their memory for 30 seconds. So if we do the rehearsal, only then from short-term memory it can go on to the long-term memory. An example here, let's practice. You'll have better clarity. Now here I have put up some, for chunking hypothesis, demonstration 1 is there. Now there is a long line of letters given to you. I'll show it to you only for 30 seconds. You have to see this, and after this I'm going to change the slide. So now you tell me what all letters were they. Tell me in the serial order. Are you able to remember the 9 chunks, minimum 9 chunks, or no? Or how many letters do you remember? Please write in the comments below. Now here is the second demonstration. Same letters are there. Earlier in demonstration 1 they were all jumbled up. Now here I have written it in a way that you can make a grouping of this, and these are not just random letters, and it will make sense of it. Now you read, and only 10 seconds I am giving. After that I am going to switch the slide. Here I switch the slide, and now you tell me that what was the sentence or what were the letters. I'm sure you can recall better in demonstration 2 rather than demonstration 1, because in demonstration 1 all the letters were not making sense at all. They were not linked, or they could not be grouped together, so you remembered only 9 chunks. But here you can remember more than that, because all the whole sentence or all the letters are grouped in such a way that it's making sense. So you can remember more number of chunks here. Same chunks but more bigger chunks you can remember. is the demonstration 3, which is making more sense. In demonstration second, there were words, but they were not linked with each other. In first demonstration, the letters were not linked with each other. In demonstration 2, the words were not linked with each other. In demonstration 3, this is a sentence. So you can remember it much more easily because it's making more sense and you can do grouping much more easier.